Today's video is all about old Hollywood hair, specifically updos. I'm going to show you 3 hairstyles inspired by Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn, and Grace Kelly. These are such timeless hairstyles that you can wear them today and still look classic and elegant. First up, we have Marilyn Monroe's French twist. Whenever I recreate a hairstyle, I like to have several different angles of the look in front of me so I can really make sure it's accurate. Updos hold so much better when your hair has texture and grip, so I'm applying some Amika texture spray. I'm going to create a side part over the arch of the brow. I took the part to right behind my ear. I'm just sectioning off the front piece of the hair because that's going to be the style of bangs. Now it's time to create the French twist. I used to think French twists were so difficult until I tried this one technique, and now it's so simple. I do this pretty much every day. I take my right hand with my palm facing the ceiling. I put it under the gathered hair and I twist upwards to the right. Now, if you want to get good at updos, I cannot recommend these hairpins enough. And they're from a small business called Frenchies. I'll link them in my description box. With the excess hair, I'm just creating a bun. I'm just taking a hairpin and smoothing out any bumps. I'm taking a section from the bangs, teasing it a little bit, and pinning it down. I'm gonna add this hair to the bun. Now this has the height that Marilyn has. Pull out the bangs, and I'm swooping this back into the French twist. I'm taking the excess hair and wrapping it around the bun. She has pieces out by her ear, so I'm just gently pulling those out. And then I'm going to curl these 3 pieces. And this is the Marilyn inspired updo. This would be so beautiful for a wedding or a special event. And on to the next hairstyle. Next, we have Grace Kelly's updo in To Catch a Thief. For this hairstyle, I'm going to section off the front half of my hair. The back of her hair looks like a curled bun, but the base of it looks like there's a French twist. A little French twist. And I'm stopping that about a quarter of the way up the back of my head. With the excess hair, I'm going to create a curled bun. I'm going to take small pieces and finger roll them to create little curls. Once I get the shape down, I'm going to take out this front section. Now with the 2 sections on the side, I'm going to connect them to the bun. And with the excess hair, I'm just adding that to the bun. Taking the top section and splitting it in 2. I'm gonna tease this back section. She has a lot of height at the crown, and I'm always looking back at the reference images to make sure I'm doing it correctly. Then I cross it over and pin. And then the excess hair, I just add that to the bun as well. For the bangs, I'm going to curl away from the face. A little bit of hairspray. Then I'm going to tease the bangs. Like that, and then it does look like her front pieces are waved out, so I'm going to take And here is the final Grace Kelly inspired updo. This is my To Catch a Thief inspired outfit. Next we have Audrey Hepburn. In some inspo photos she has a pixie with the bangs, but others she has a bun and a French twist. But we're going to really try to replicate the front of this look, and then I'll probably just do a bun or a French twist in the back. Now, I don't have baby bangs, but I have the best hack to fake bangs. I take a section of hair in the front, a small elastic, a bobby pin, another bobby pin. Crossing them makes it stay even better. Then I take the leftover hair, put it in the front, and bobby pin it. Then I'm left with these bangs, but don't worry, we will style them. Then I'm going to part my hair. Then I'm giving myself a side part and laying that hair over where I put the bobby pins. Then I'm going to take this piece, twist it back, and pin it. Twist and pin this side as well. Now I'm going to do a French twist in the back. And I want this to be pretty flat against my head. I feel like she usually had them swooped. Now I'm going to style the bangs. Using a hot tool also groups the pieces together more. Instead of a slick back, I'm going to try to wear these type of updos more. They're just so elegant and polished and classic, and they just make me feel so pretty. So maybe I'll do an old Hollywood wave tutorial next. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you try any of these. Thank you for watching. Bye.